In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel GoDaddy subscription. If you're already signed in and on your GoDaddy dashboard, you're in the right place. We'll walk through where to click, what to look for, and a few things to keep in mind so you cancel the correct plan with confidence. Start by moving to the top right corner of the dashboard and select the profile icon. This opens your account menu with shortcuts to the areas that manage your products and payments. From that menu, choose Renewals and Billing. This takes you to the hub that lists your active products, their renewal dates, and the billing status that keeps them going. It's the place GoDaddy uses to organize everything tied to your payment method, so it's the best starting point when you want to make changes to a plan. Once that page loads, look for Manage Subscriptions and click it. Think of this as the filter that focuses specifically on subscriptions that renew. It helps you see ongoing plans at a glance, rather than every single product you've ever owned. Now select the subscription you want to cancel. Take a moment here to confirm you've picked the right one by checking the product name, the term, and the next renewal date shown on the page. This quick review helps you avoid canceling the wrong service, especially if you manage multiple domains, email plans, or hosting packages. With the correct subscription open, choose Cancel Plan. A confirmation prompt typically appears, summarizing what will happen next. Read those details carefully. Depending on the service and your billing terms, access may continue until the end of the paid period, or it may end sooner. If the subscription is connected to something live, like a website, email, or an add-on feature, understand that canceling can affect those connected services. Follow the on-screen confirmation to finish. When the cancellation is complete, the plan will show as canceled or scheduled to end at the appropriate date. You may also receive a confirmation message in your account or by email, which is a good record for your files. And that's all it takes. Profile icon, Renewals and Billing, Manage Subscriptions. Choose the right plan, then Cancel Plan. Take a final look at renewal dates so there are no surprises on your next statement.